Are you a new trader? Then you want funds to learn how to trade, how to long or short Bitcoin or trade whatever coin you want to trade. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this fund to trade on Bybit. And right here on your home page, you need to come to this Bybit and download this on your Apple Store. After you download this on your Apple Store, then verify your account. You need to press here, and it's going to bring you over here, and you will navigate to this demo trading. If you press this demo trading, it's going to switch to this demo trading, and as you can see over here, you can start live trading right here. Again, if you want to trade live trading, use your original money, because with this fund, like up to 100,000 US dollar, you'll be able to trade. And if you see it's over here, if I press confirm, I have like $131,000 to trade this demo account. You can't withdraw these funds, and you have one BTC right here, and you have 50,000 worth of USDT and USDC again, and you have like one Ethereum. With these funds, you can learn your strategy right here. If you want to go long on BTC right here, and you want to go long on BTC, I'm going to press demo long, and you have made this your verification. You want to go long, and you just need to set your price. If you want to enter this immediately, you can just press random price and the amount of BTC you want to short. I'm going to press 1 BTC, and I will press long right here, and you need to set your stop loss and take profit later if you want to do this. I'm going to press this and press confirm. With this right now, you see I've opened this trade on demo account. You won't be able to withdraw these funds in your account because this is not a real account. This is just a demo account for you to test your strategy and to see how your strategy is doing. And with this, you'll be able to test your strategy and use these funds enable and use these funds to trade some other assets. You can use this US dollar USDT to buy some other assets, and USDT to buy some other assets. So if you want to learn how to buy and sell right here, you can use these dots, press these dots and go back again, and press this SRP again, and you can come to this level over here and change this and trade whatever coin you want to trade. Maybe you want to trade this SRP with this demo account, and what you need to do is just press the price you want to trade this SRP from, and just enter the amount of this. And if you want to go short, you think this is going to go up or down, you know about your plan, and you can set your stop loss around there. Stop loss, let me use this ratio. Take profit is 20%, and stop loss is 15%. And I'm going to press confirm. I'm going to long. As you can see, I've opened this position right here, and these two positions I've opened, and size of my position is 1,000 worth of this. And if I come to this asset, as you can see over here, you see this asset right here, 131,000 USD, and these are the two positions I've opened. You just have to know your strategy. If you're able to make money with this demo account, then you see over here, I'll be making like $25 with 10x leverage with one position of BTC. This is $25. So if you want to trade your stop loss, you can use this option, or set take profit. You can just, you want to take profit at 10%, and right here you want to stop loss at 5% and press confirm. And right here, this position is going to close automatic once this trade made this stop loss and take profit level. And right now, if you want to close this, you can use this close right now and use this 100% and close confirm. You see it's going to close immediately, and the position has already been closed. You can use the same option to close this, or close by limit order, and you can set the price you want to close this and use this 100% and press confirm, and immediately these two orders have been closed. And that's all you need to do to backtest your strategy trading on Bybit demo trading. And if you want to go back to live trading, you just need to press up here, go back to live trading, and you can come here. And after you've back test your strategy, you can now fund your account using this deposit right here, and fund your account with fiat or crypto, and start trading, testing your strategy on live trading. So that's all you need to know about getting funds to practice or train your strategy, backtesting your strategy in crypto trading or trading generally. So if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.